So today बच्चे we will do revision of application writing. Okay. So for writing application, when you write on an application, you write to higher authority. So whenever you are writing any application to the higher authority, this is also called a formal piece of writing, because in this your tone should be very much formal. You have to write down to the point, not unnecessarily and irrelevant information to be added. Only relevant content is to be added. This letter should not be, application writing should not be too long. All the ideas should be properly arranged in a systematic way. So here you have to follow correct format, because for writing correct format of any kind of letter, you are going to score 2 marks for writing correct. And so many students are in this category that they lose their marks because of that wrong format, because they don't follow the guidelines which are discussed in class. So I hope my dear students will be listening to me carefully. They will be following all the guidelines and they will jot down all the things whatever I discuss in the class. Now draw margin first of all. Suppose margin is not given in the answer sheet, so you are supposed to write down, you are supposed to draw a margin. So the very first line that you are supposed to write down, that should be the sender address. You are sender, you are going to write down an application. If sender address is given in your question, you can copy that address. But if address is not given, it's better that you write down this address. Okay, then skip one line. After skipping one line, you write down full date. You write down full date. While writing date, don't write down TH, ST, short forms or any abbreviation. So many students have this habit. So many students write down this. And today I was checking revision test of 6th class. Do you know how were they writing date? They are mentioning this word date. So it is absolutely wrong. So avoid writing this. No, bache, you have to leave only single line. I have drawn these 2 lines from as just your notebook has. Single line here, single line here. Then you will be writing spellings of principal very, very carefully, and P should be capital. Even when you grow up, even students of 11th and 12th, when they go in principal ma'am office to give application, I just tell you which spellings they write them. What is this principle called? Laws, morals. But this is principal, head of the institution. Okay, so you are supposed to write down principal PAL spelling, and P should be capital. See, when you will be appearing for your board examination, you will not be supposed to write down your school name or your city name in board exam. So it's better that you start making practice just now, because in 8th, if you write down school name, in 10th also you will be writing in a hurry. So make it your practice. Mention here dash 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 school, dash 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 city. Okay, and after that, some students, they write down comma, comma, full stop. It is bache obsolete. It is not in trend. It is not in trend. So avoid writing comma, full stops after principal, school, city, examination hall, city. Don't write down commas and full stops. But still you write down. I will show you your revision test. Then you will write down yes ma'am. Then write down subject of your application. See, subject of your application should be very much brief, very much short, not too long. Okay, so subject should be written very short, to the point. Okay, after subject, write down salutation like sir. No, sir or ma'am, not madam. Sir or ma'am. Okay. Suppose you live in another city. You are writing this application from there. Here sender address, here receiver address. Both cities can be same. It can be different also. Sometimes in question address is given. You have to copy that name. So after writing this, you are supposed to write down body of the letter. Body of the letter. Body of the letter. See, when you are going to write down the body of the letter, so you will be arranging all the ideas in 3 paragraphs. How will you arrange all the ideas? In paragraph number first, yes, you will introduce yourself, your name, your class, your roll number, and purpose for writing. Purpose, or you can say reason for writing. So you are supposed to write down reason for writing. Get up. This boy, get up. Yes, get up. Come here. Stand near the door. Stand near the door. Go along with your notebook. Now you speak, yes ma'am, yes ma'am, yes ma'am. You are creating a lot of nuisance in my class. It's better that you stand there. Stand there. Paragraph number 2. That should be full of details. It means what the writer wants to say. What the writer, write down. I will tell you how to write. I'm coming there. Details what the writer wants to say. So in paragraph number 3, end of your letter, 1 line on thanks you can write down. 1 line on hope you can write down. Only this much, not too much. 1 line on thanks and 1 line on hope. Okay. So yours, Y should be capital. Why Y should be capital? Because when you are writing to higher authority, you are supposed to write down yours. YOURS. Yours sincerely. SINCERELY. Truly, TRULY. Write down the spellings very, very carefully. CERE. So many students have the habit not to write down E in sincerely. So you will be writing SINCERELY, truly. Then write down your name, ABC. If a name is given in the question, then you will be copying that name. So for writing this correct format, you will be able to score 2 marks. Today I was checking test of 6th class. In the same way I have discussed them application, but they were writing here comma. I just tell you how. They were writing here comma. Yours. So I put circle here. I deducted half marks. Same thing was told to them in the same way as I am teaching you. But I was so surprised. They were writing yours like this by putting apostrophe S. It is absolutely wrong. When you are writing, ये घड़ियां उतार के ना मैंने कपबोर्ड के अंदर रख देनी है. हाँ, I will keep all your watches in the cupboard. I will keep it. Keep this thing in your mind. So yours, yours. Here comma should not be written. And y should not be small. It should be of capital letters. Clear? It should be of capital letters. yours. No, never. You were committing that mistake. So don't put apostrophe s. Yours, when you are writing to higher authorities, so yours should be there, yours. Sincerely, truly. So this is the format that I have discussed with you. Now I'm going to give you one of the question. Write down. Write an application to the librarian of your school. Write an application. Write an application to the librarian of your school. Write an application to the librarian of your school requesting her to exempt your fine. EXEMPT. Exempt means to remedy your fine. Suppose she has fined you. In place of find, what word can be used? In place of find, suppose that teacher has fined you. So as a student of 8th class, what word can you use? She has spotted. So Rania has written spotted. It is wrong. Hurry up, tell me. Suppose मैं तुम्हें 100 रुपया फाइन लगा दूं, what will be the English of that? I am going to fine you rupees 100. What will be the another high level English for that? Exempt तो नहीं आएगा, exempt तो होता है remit करना. I'm going to fine you rupees 100. Charge. You are near to that. I will speak in class like this. I'm going to charge rupees 100. Think over this, 8th class. Instead of looking at time na, think, use your mind. If I speak this line in class, I'm going to fine you rupees 100 for not submitting your notebook, for not taking a test, revision test. I'm going to fine you. I have punished you rupees 100. I have punished you rupees 100. That will be okay. See the vocabulary of 8th class. Because this class is only talkative, not brainy at all, except 3-4. Yes. What will be that word? Impose. My teacher has imposed rupees 100 for not returning notebook. So here librarian has imposed rupees 100 for not returning the books on time. So how will you write down this letter? Examination hall, dash city, date, the principal, school, city. What will be the subject? To exempt the fine. I think request request for exemption. Simple. Request for exemption of only this much. Too short. That should be the subject. Request for exemption of fine. So how will you arrange ideas? In first paragraph, what will you write down? You will introduce yourself. Now see, all the ideas should be properly arranged. So in paragraph number 1, tell about your introduction. Introduce yourself. Yes. Here you are going to write down this letter to. So here in place of principal, what will come? The, yes, librarian. Write down the spellings carefully. So in first paragraph, introduce yourself and tell the reason for writing. What will be the reason? सीधे रिक्वेस्ट बोल दोगे स्टार्टिंग में ही, हाँ जी मैं वहां कर दो फाइन. पहले इंट्रोडक्शन दोगे, देन यू विल टेल दैट लाइब्रेरियन. मैं कहती हूँ रिक्वेस्ट बाद में करनी है. अरेंज ऑल द आइडियाज. लाइब्रेरियन हैज, अभी भी नहीं माइंड में आया है, imposed a fine of, sorry, you are writing to librarian, you are not writing to principal. So you will introduce yourself. You will introduce yourself and you will tell the reason for writing. So first of all, what reason will be there? मैं कहती हूँ रिक्वेस्ट बाद में करनी है. रीजन फॉर राइटिंग पहले सॉरी बोलना शुरू कर दोगे. इंट्रोडक्शन लिखने के बाद यू हैव इम्पोज्ड, यू हैव, यस, इम्पोज्ड अ फाइन ऑफ ₹100 for not returning the books on time. Yes, तो मैं बताती हूँ. So in first paragraph, you will introduce yourself and you will tell that you have imposed a fine of ₹100. Clear? Tell me clear? Now in paragraph number 2. In paragraph number 2, you will arrange all the ideas. Now listen carefully how to arrange the ideas. You will tell the reason. क्या डिटेल हो सकती हैं, क्यों नहीं रिटर्न की बुक्स? सफरिंग, अच्छा आउट ऑफ स्टेशन बिना प्लानिंग के चले गए थे. बुक्स, सफरिंग फ्रॉम फीवर, सफरिंग फ्रॉम वायरल फीवर, सफरिंग फ्रॉम वायरल फीवर. Father was out of, इतने बिजी थे बुक देने नहीं आ सके. Father was out of station. Mother was only there to look after you. Only mother was to look after. Doctor has given complete bed rest. Doctor has advised complete bed rest. I'm writing only hints. You are supposed to frame these lines. So you will be telling that you were suffering with viral fever. Doctor has advised to take complete bed rest. Father was out of station for 1 week. Mother was only there to look after you. No another family member was there. Okay, so that's why I couldn't return the books on time. Okay, now in third paragraph, you will mention, you will request that I humbly request you to kindly exempt me from fine. I will not. पर ये मिस्टेक आपने जानबूझ के तो नहीं की. So don't write down this line that I will not commit this mistake in future. So I request you to kindly exempt me from my fine. Okay, I shall be thankful to you for this act of kindness, or I will be highly obliged to you. In place of that, I will be very thankful to you for this act of kindness. You can write down this line, I shall be highly obliged. So start writing. So start writing. So in paragraph third, you will make a request. What kind of request? To exempt you from fine. Request to exempt you from fine. Remit word can be written according to 6th class. So you can sit in 6th class. There I teach Remit. But in 8th I speak exempt. Your yes is very. So I request you to exempt you from fine. I shall be highly obliged to you for this act of yours truly. Write down your name. Sometime name is given in the question, you will be copying that name. But if name is not given in the question, you can't copy that name. Clear? So start framing all the lines in a systematic way. Arrange all the ideas, and I can ask any of the child to give me answer. So start writing, hurry up. I will be listening first paragraph from you, offline as well as online students. So online, who is going to tell me? From online, who has prepared paragraph number first? Who has prepared paragraph number first? Okay, Harman, you tell me first para from offline class. Respected ma'am, I am a student of class 8B, and I want to that as you have been posed 100 fine for not submitting the books on time. नहीं दोबारा पढ़ना फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ. As you have imposed, simple, right? As, why are you writing as you have imposed? उसके बाद क्या कर रहा है? After that you haven't joined this line to any another line. Simple. I am Harmanpreet, a student of class 8B in your school. Okay. So simple. After that you have imposed me ₹100 for not returning the books on time. Only this much. Then on second paragraph, tell about the details. Tell your reason. Mention the reason. What was the reason behind that? That you couldn't return the books on time. Yes. So this was the reason that I couldn't return the books on time. Ishan, what have you written? Bolo first. Okay, Toranya, you read. What have you written? Where is Toranya? I think there is a network problem from Taranya side. Okay, from offline class. Hurry up, frame your paragraphs. I'm giving you time. Okay, Lavish, you tell me what have you written up to now. Read from the beginning. No, whatever, to the point, not too long. Obliged. Last boy, you tell me this answer. Whatever you have written, read. Yeah, what are you saying? Because you have imposed, you will start your line from this word. Because you have imposed. You'll be simply telling that you have imposed a fine of ₹100. Tell me again. But all the guidelines are discussed with you. Still, some of the students are not able. Come here. Come near to me. Now read whatever you have written. Have you followed the guidelines which are written on blackboard or not? Read. This paragraph you will frame next. So you will not start your paragraph from the word because. You will be saying, I was suffering. Bache, follow the guidelines, whatever I have told you. Look at the blackboard, arrange all these ideas again. Hurry up, I'm getting a side. Arrange all the ideas. Do it again. So write down fast. Go. I dash off. You can write down dash also. Yes, at last you are supposed to write down ABC. So I'm going to mark your attendance. ये देखना स्निपिंग टूल क्यों नहीं चल रहा. Snipping tool I have taken for taking screenshot. Hmm. Hmm. Then save as.